Hey everyone, Jason Hill here, and today we are going to prepare a smoked fatty. No, we're not gonna smoke a fatty. This isn't the Cheech and Chong channel. So anyway, let me show you how we do it. All right, so check it out. I've got 9 pieces of applewood smoked bacon, which I put in a weave pattern, and you can either use little plastic wrap or parchment paper over your sheet pan. We're also going to need 1 cup of pepperoni chopped, 1 cup of mozzarella cheese grated, about a 1/3 cup of Parmesan cheese that I grated, and then 1 cup of chopped green olives, and then finally our 2 pounds of spicy Italian sausage. But you can use your favorite kind of sausage. I just like the spicy. So now we're just gonna have to pack the sausage down over the bacon, and there's no clean, easy way to do it. You just gotta get in there and get your hands dirty. All right, you just wanna make sure we pack it down evenly. Now we're going to sprinkle the chopped olives over the top, pack those in. Okay, let's layer the pepperoni down the middle, followed by our shredded mozzarella. And Parmesan cheese. Now we're just going to tightly roll up the fatty, making sure that the edges are sealed on both sides. Now we're going to place this on a wire rack and go hit the smoker. My Green Mountain pellet grill is preheated to 250 degrees. We're going to smoke this for about 2 hours or until the internal temperature is 160 degrees Fahrenheit. All right, it's been about 3 hours. I believe we're almost there. I'm gonna take the temperature. I'm gonna make sure it's at 165. Take my little thermometer, we're gonna go right in the middle. You don't wanna take it on the ends because those are obviously gonna cook a little faster. We're getting close to 170, so we're done. All right, we're gonna carefully remove it from the grill onto my cutting board. Don't drop it. Don't drop it. There we go. We're going to want to let it rest for about 10 minutes before we cut into this bad boy. Look at that. Oh my goodness. I've had it resting for about 10 minutes, so let's cut into this bad boy. I'm just going to go right down the middle. Oh my goodness. I'm just going to cut a couple of little medallions for the plate up. Oh, wonderful. It smells so good. Now this is considered keto, so for those of you that are doing the keto, you might want to try this. And if you're not doing keto, try it anyway. Oh yeah, just for fun, if you want to drizzle a little bit of pizza sauce over these yummy medallions. It's not going to be keto now, but just adds a little more depth to this. And I do have a quick and easy pizza sauce video that I did years ago that I can link to. Well, I hope you enjoyed this smoked bacon fatty recipe. I hope you give it a try, and if you do, let me know what you think in the comments. Let's take a bite. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell. Absolutely wonderful. All right, guys, thanks for tuning in.